Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you a few simple steps using which you can fix this error. To get started, simply search for regedit and click on Registry Editor. Now go to the video description and copy this registry location. Paste it in the address bar of Registry Editor and hit enter. From here, double click on this key and set the value data from 1 to 0 and save the change. Now double click on this key and save the value data from 1 to 0 and save the change. Now close this window and restart your computer, and this should fix the issue. However, if it doesn't, then proceed ahead with the next method. Simply search for gpedit and click on Edit Group Policy. From here, navigate to the address shown on the screen. From here, find this registry policy, double click on it and set it to disabled and save the change. Now close everything and restart your computer for the changes to take effect. The third method, search for UAC and click on Change User Account Control Settings. So by default, this slider remains at here. Simply slide it down to the bottom and save the change and try to install the software. As a final method, simply go to the properties of the software you are trying to install. Click on Digital Signatures tab. Now select this and click on Details. From here, click on View Certificate, then Install Certificate. Selecting the current user, click on Next. Now choose this option and click on Browse. From here, select the Trusted Root Certificate Authorities and click on Next, and finally on Finish. When prompted, click on Yes. That's it. Now try to install the software with which you are facing the issue with, and this time you won't get any error. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.